Sabay ng paglawak ng teknolohiya, maraming video, litrato ang mukhang makatotohanan sa unang tingin. Pero mapanlin lang pala at kaduda-duda o yung mga deepfake.
What is the truth?
Who do we believe?
Who is telling the truth? And you?
What do you believe in?
In a new survey, as the main spreaders of false information in the country, an overwhelming majority also agree fake news is a problem that should be addressed in the Philippines.
Fake news or false information are something that can be dangerous.
It can cause a conflict for each one another, or maybe it can cause a civil war.
Nothing good came from something that is fake and false information.
Go. Go.
Fake news is... Go.
It can cause...
Mrs. Have you heard that Mark is pregnant?
What? Marites is pregnant? Where did you get that information?
Look, I've been stalking her since December. Before, she was posting on Facebook stories, but now she rarely posts anything. And look at her recent post. I really think she's pregnant.
Oh, I didn't notice that. I will ask your best friend. Hey, you're Maritas' best friend, right?
Yes.
Someone told me that Maritas is pregnant. Is that true?
That is ridiculous. How did that person conclude that claim?
Someone noticed that Maritas is not posting on social media anymore, and her latest posts are kind of suspicious.
So what? The information you just shared is incorrect. That's fake news. You should be careful about spreading info like that. It might be even ruin a person's life. It's a good thing that you asked me. I was able to tell you the truth.
Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe the reason why Maritas is not posting anymore is because she wants peace and privacy.
Definitely the reason. Again, Marites is not pregnant, so watch the word that is coming out of your mouth.
Friendly reminder, don't immediately share unverified information. Think and research before spreading unconfirmed statements.
Be watchful. Don't get easily fooled. Think before you click.
As an individual, we should know what fake news is and be able to recognize it and know how to stop it.
When words are both true and kind, they can change the world.
Host of the best!